Sustainability, of course, is very important today. One example is the reduction of energy consumption of the production systems, for instance, through coolant flow. And that is also very important and interesting for the young people because the show is always a chance for them to look at real solutions, I could say. They can experience here what a machine tool does, what production is, and that is very important.
It's important that we make our industry greener to make sure that in the future we can also work on it, that we are still existing in the future. We should incorporate new technologies, new systems, new ways of working to ensure that the future generations can also work in the same industry as we do today.
Basically, all developments are done on sustainability, starting by using renewable energies in our production. Also, software-wise, it's very important in our development. When you're looking around, you're seeing all these energy costs increasing, and so therefore you have to have an answer on that.
The aim of UMATI is to standardize the information models used for connectivity. To make it more sustainable, you need to have an insight into the processes. And by providing standardized information models, we can optimize these processes or reduce unneeded steps.
There is good communication between each other, talking to each other and networking to each other, and it's a great motivation and great learning experience in EMO.
Inner diameter coatings on components and forming tools have been considered impossible for the last decade. We are here at EMO to get the word out that this limitation no longer applies. Sustainability is at the heart of PVD coatings, whether it's forming tools or cutting tools. Sustainability and efficient processing is always important.